Hello, guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot Triple V Tarot. I'm Rishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energy. It's a general reading, it may or may not resonate. So take what resonates, and if it doesn't resonate, it's not your story. Let's do general collective reading for sign of Leo. Karma of your ex for hurting you. I have already shuffled the cards. Let's get started. First, how they played you. How they feel about playing with you, what's going on in their life now. Oh, baby. How they feel about you now. What is their karma? Let's take clarification for all the cards. Okay. I know I should not be laughing about it. Okay. So, how did they play you? You guys had a harmonious life. You have temperance, you have six of cups, and judgment. Actually, you had a very balanced life with this person. He thought he has lot of options, and he took all of a sudden he made a judgment upon this family. It was a long term relationship, I guess. You have spent many years together, and you both were emotionally involved also. But might be there are children also involved in this. But he took a stand and he just left, I guess. Dark clouds and all, they say that he just made a judgment and he just went away. He just did not discuss, did not say anything, and he thought that grass is greener on other side. Maybe. Okay, so what happened is, then he thought for some time. He thought long enough what to do with you. Then he cut you off. This is King of Swords. And then he went to third party. How they feel about playing with you is they feel sad, but they had been brutal with you. They know this, that they have behaved very bad with you, and but still they were enjoying drinking a lot, dating other women. So this is a third party situation. So what is happening with them now? What's going on in their life now? Actually, they are very obsessed with you or with the person they left you for. They are very angry because that person has played them, and when he offered a commitment to that person, she just left perfectly. Like, these are soulmates, I guess. This third party and this person is a soulmate. Still, this lady, when she saw that he is having addiction to, like, addiction can be anything, drinking, sex, drugs, anything in excess is bad, no? So when she saw that this person is something else, he is having a devilish thing, like in on his tail, that fire is there. The day that third party saw this thing, and when this person offered, your person offered them a commitment, she just cut them out and she walked away. She said, I don't need this toxicity in my life. So this is what is happening now. Now, how do they feel about you now? They feel that this is eight of cups, seven of swords, and six of swords. So lot of mental conflict is there. They think you have walked away emotionally from them, and you have been playing mind games with them. That is what they think, and they want to come back now. They want to come back, and they want you to accept this. I think they have a child with this third party, and they want you to accept them the way they are. It is all dark here, so they are into very negative and bad energy. What is their karma? I see this is you receiving your good karma. It will be very quick. It will be a very quick karma. They will see you having a new beginning with a new partner, with a new stable life. That is their karma. This is their karma. I don't see anything else other than this. They will be watching you from far, and this stability is coming towards you very fast. This is eight of wands, ace of rods, and ten of pentacles. So you will be having a new start with a new partner, with all the stability, generational wealth. This is generational wealth. So you'll be getting justice in this. It is not they facing their karma, but you getting justice. So this is all about. So let's see. Let's pick three cards, three messages from your person. What are the three messages right now? What they want to tell you? Let's see. They say ki I feel good, I rejected you first. So they are still in toxic energy. I can never forget you even if you think I have. So they have not forgotten you. They are not in communication, they are not in touch, but still they every time think about you. So what else? Whatever I said about you was honestly what I feel. It's over. So he understands that this relationship is over. See, here they are also saying, yes, I am in and out of your life because I know it's easy to manipulate your vulnerability. So he knows that he's a very toxic person, and you are lucky to get out of him because he left you first. And he's saying that he enjoys manipulating you because you are a very honest person, you are a very balanced person with your emotions and loving and everything. You looked after everything about him for a very long time. I can just see this path, like both of you had come very long way. it might be it might be 14 years also, maybe, because I can see here two kids also involved, and all of a sudden they made a judgment on it. So they are very toxic. I like he thought a lot about it before cutting you off, and he said very brutal things about you, or he hurt you so badly and deeply. But he did not admit that he was going to a third party. He just cut you off and he went to that way. He celebrated, in fact, when he left you. So, this toxic relationship had been is gone out of your life, and they they know it's over. Still, they want you back because they left you first, and still they think ki you are playing mind games with him, and he wants you to accept him the way he is right now, like Six of Swords. Who does that? Who is going to accept him with this thing? No, I don't think so. He's a narcissist, I guess. He has not forgotten about you. Let it be like very too many years have passed or months have passed. You might be thinking he must have forgotten you and he has moved on. No, 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 he has not, because this third party and this is just going on. This power struggle is going on still on there. So he wants to come back just because you are walking away from them. That is the fact. But you should concentrate on your new life and new ventures. Maybe you will start a new business where you will get very successful and you'll find a new partner also. And he'll be watching you from far. That is his karma. I hope you like it and I hope it resonated. If it resonated, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Don't forget to comment. For personal reading, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.